Attorney General Tim Griffin announced today Arkansas would join a coalition of states supporting Virginia in a federal case that deals with the voting rolls. The governor there ordered almost 1,600 people who had declared themselves to be non-citizens taken off those states' voting rolls. But on Friday, a judge ordered them back on. So there's a lot of confusion and concern over when states can mess with their list of registered voters before an election. Our Verify team tries to clear up some of that for you tonight.
Social posts warning against voter fraud are calling on state election officials to clean up voter rolls by removing ineligible people from their records. But do election officials already do this? Let's verify. Our sources are the National Voter Registration Act, the Help America Vote Act, the National Conference of State Legislatures, the Electronic Registration Information Center, and various state election laws. In every state except North Dakota, state election officials maintain a list of registered voters. The post suggests those lists are improperly maintained, which could allow people to illegally cast a ballot. But federal law requires states to regularly update their lists. This includes removing people who are ineligible or disqualified from voting, such as people who moved, died, have a criminal record in some states, or are improperly registered. Most states use Social Security records, change of address forms, and shared voter databases to do that at least every 2 months, although states can generally make their own rules about how often this happens, so long as it occurs in a uniform and non-discriminatory manner and not within 90 days of an election. When a state suspects a voter should be removed, but it's unclear if they're still eligible, federal law requires officials to send a notice and wait 2 general election cycles before removing them. So, yes, election officials are regularly cleaning voter rolls per federal law. North Dakota stands alone because it doesn't require voter registration. With your Verify, I'm Brandon Lewis.